Alright guys, today we're going to talk about Plex servers and how you can host your own or join ours. This is a subscription killer, guys. With streaming service prices going up almost every day and Christmas coming up, why not drop some of those costs? Plex is basically your own personal Netflix, but you get to decide what's on your server. You decide what you watch, when you want to watch it, and you're not randomly going to have shows disappear because it's no longer available in your region. So our setup here is stupid simple. We use this laptop. It's nothing special. So this laptop right here is our server here at ByteForge. I restart it once a day because I'm responsible, professional, and definitely not winging this entire thing. And this is my external hard drive. This is the lifeline of our media empire right here. No crazy NAS, no rack mount server, no extremely loud tower server going on in the background. Just plug in and go. As long as you have your Plex media server going and you direct Plex to your media folder, you're all set. So setting up the Plex media server probably only took about 10 minutes. You install the Plex media server, point it at your external hard drive, name it something fun. Ours is called ByteFlix, of course, and then you're done. And here's the best part. Anybody on our local network here can stream for free. So that's my fiance, her mom, our 6 kids. Like anyone in the house can use this library for completely free as long as we are home. It's basically walk into the house, start Plex, watch anything. So it's super simple and really easy to use. But if you want to watch my library from anywhere, you could pay $2 a month or $20 a year to get remote access. And I mean, the cost for 1 year is basically a Netflix subscription for a month. You can connect to our server whenever you want, watch whatever you want, on any device, anywhere, which is awesome. And especially $2 a month, come on. That's literally cheaper than a coffee or a soda from a vending machine. And it lasts the entire month. All the details for the server are on our ByteForge Community Discord server. So hop in if you want the details for the remote subscription to our server. And obviously, I do not condone piracy. Nope, not me, not us, right? We don't do that. We don't steal. I get all my movies legally, 100% paid for from Blockbuster or Family Video or what is it, the Red Box? Is that, I don't know. Anyway, so that's my Plex setup. Laptop, 2 terabyte external hard drive, quick 10-minute install, and we're streaming. Free when you're on the local network, $2 a month for remote access from anywhere on any kind of device, and cheap remote access to our ByteForge community library. $2 a month again, I'd hop on that. So check out the Discord, hop on Plex, watch everything you like and love for free without the subscription. Thanks everyone for watching. If you're still here, like, subscribe, comment, join the Discord. Everyone have a great day.